Morning Assembly anchoring script on the theme Earth Day. Good morning, everyone, respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear fellow mates. I stand before you today with a heart full of gratitude and a sense of responsibility. Can you feel the excitement in the air? Yes, it's Earth Day, a day dedicated to our beautiful planet, our home, our Mother Earth. As we gather here, let's embark on a journey of discovery. Let's explore the world of our planet from the lush rainforest to the icy peaks, from the depths of the ocean to the vast deserts. Each ecosystem, each creature, and each blade of grass has a story to tell, a story of resilience, interconnectedness, and survival. Let me first wish all the most beautiful creation on this earth Happy Earth Day. Today I, Shrishti Mehra of class 9C, along with my classmates, is here to host today's morning assembly. Let us thank God for this greener and happier planet to live and pray to God to strengthen us that we may protect our earth from degradation. So everybody get ready for the prayer. So kindly join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer. After prayer, the pledge inculcates the habit of brotherhood among us and makes us a responsible citizen. It reminds us of our responsibility towards our country. Let us take a vow with Jyoti from class 9th. After pledge, a good thought creates good thinking, and good thinking creates good work, and that in turn creates a good day. So, for today's thought, I would like to invite Suhani. Updating ourselves every day is a good habit. This shows our awareness towards our society, towards our nation, and that's possible only when we are eager or fond of it. In the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read newspaper or watch news. So, to update us with today's news, I would like to call Dheer. Learning a new word can create a whole cascade of thinking that leads to better mastery of a language. Words are powerful expressions that play a vital role in improving our vocabulary. So, for enhancing our vocabulary, I would like to invite Achal for Word of the Day. As we continue to celebrate the beauty and bounty of our earth, we are reminded of the power to stir our souls and awaken our consciousness. Today, we have the privilege of listening to a poem that captures the essence of our planet's splendor and the urgency of its preservation. We now call upon Vaishnavi, a student who will lend her voice to the timeless words of a poet. I invite Charyu, a young visionary who will share his thoughts on our role as stewards of the earth. His speech will undoubtedly inspire us to become better custodians of our precious earth. The national anthem reminds us of our nation's glory, beauty, and its heritage. It is an integral part of our assembly's daily routine. So, to show devotion towards our motherland, all of you get ready for national anthem. Here we came to an end of our morning assembly. Thank you for your cooperation and have a great day ahead.